Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Open Google in your browser and sign into your Google account now. Click Settings at the bottom or top right and choose Search Settings. In Search Settings, select Languages and pick English as your search language. Next, choose Region for results and set your country or a preferred English-speaking country. Scroll down and click Save to apply changes instantly. Reload the Google homepage so future searches return English results and localized headlines for your region. Open News, Google.com or the Google News app to see English headlines immediately. Tap or click the language selector and confirm English as the preferred language. Use the For You tab to personalize content by following topics and sources. Click Follow on any topic to add it to your feed and get tailored stories. Use the three-dot menu on Stories and Sources to filter by date, location, and full coverage for deeper context. Enable notifications by tapping the bell icon on a topic or source page. That sends instant alerts when new English stories publish for topics you follow. Use the Translate option on articles when a headline or piece is not already in English. Save important articles or subscribe to a source to view content later in one place. For power users, add site RSS feeds to a reader or create browser shortcuts to open English news tabs quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.